In this video I will show you how you create your very own website with Elementor. You can create a beautiful site with it. I'm gonna show you hundreds and thousands of templates to import, free and premium. So welcome people, in this video I will show you how you install WordPress on Softalicus. Right over here we are going to create your domain name. So you already have your domain name and you can select it right over here. And this is the subdirectory for testing. So keep this empty in your case. Right over here, you're gonna call this your new site, your new website in WordPress. So, okay, right over here, we have the admin email. We have backups and kind of stuff, and that's all good. And you can install this on any host. Right over here, I'm gonna click install. I'm never gonna save my password because it's just a tutorial website, and I will come back when it's loaded. So right over here, I visit my website. I visit the blog. Right over here, you see that's empty and pretty ugly. So we're gonna change a lot of things to this. I'm explaining you step by step how we do this. So keep in the video and you will be up and running in no time. Right over here, I go to plugins, click on appearance, themes, so we can install the Astra theme. You can also use the Hello theme for Elementor, but if you want a clean layout or create your own theme, I suggest the Astra theme or the Elementor theme. So right over here, I click on Add Themes, and here can you search for themes. Themes are kind of designs for beginners that you can implement in your website by just one click, the most of them. So right over here, I'm going to install this. I will wait and activate this. So when we click on the blue activated button, the theme will appear. So right over here, I'm going to look at my blog. It looks still pretty empty and pretty ugly. But we need this default layout to install Elementor Pro and Elementor. So right over here, I'm going to go to, to dashboard. And right over here, we're going to create our menu, our homepage. Now we're going to install the Elementor page builder. So right over here, I'm searching for Elementor. And I'm going to scroll down. Elementor is a really popular page builder. It's used by over 5 million people in the world. It's the best page builder I ever know. So, okay, right over here, I'll click on installing and activate. So this page builder got thousands of templates that you can insert in your website. So it's really useful. And right over here, we are going to create our page. So let's take a look at the website right now. So it's still pretty empty. So right over here, I'm going to go to my menus. So I'll go to dashboard and appearance. No, appearance, sorry. Sometimes I forgot. Appearance menus. And right over here, I'm going to create this menu. This is a really important step if you want to create your pages. I'm going to call this menu 1 and primary menu. I'll click on create menu now and our menu will be created. But now we have to add pages to the menu. So I'm going to show you that step by step. Don't worry. Right over here, I'm going to take the sample page by clicking on it and click add to menu. And right over here, we got our page. So home page. So give it a name, whatever you want. Doesn't matter, just for the tutorial. And I'm going to visit the site again. Okay, so now we have the homepage around here. I'll show you a really cool site. It's called Envato Elements. They get hundreds and thousands of assets and templates and stuff for only €14 a month. There's nearly nothing. You can have unlimited downloads. It's crazy, I know. And you have right over here, you have graphic templates, you have presentation templates, and we go and search for WordPress templates because I want to show you how you get a lot of templates to import in your WordPress website with the Elementor Pro page builder. So right over here, we got our template kit. So in every design, you can download them all. for just $15 a month or euro. So it's an amazing site. I use them a lot and it's really awesome in my opinion. So yeah, so we need Elementor Pro for this. So I'm going to show you how you install that Elementor Pro and how you upload all those templates. If you want to go to a company and let your website built by experts, they're going to charge a lot of money, more than this, a lot more. So I will highly recommend you use import a template kit from Team Forest or from FA2 Elements. Link is in the description. Right over here, I'm going to click on Visit Site. Add it with Elementor. And right over here, we're going to wait until it's loaded. It took a while on my internet connection. So right over here, I'm going to click on this button, Add Template. And right over here are my templates. So you just import this in one click. I'm going to insert this and apply. And let's take a look what happens. We will wait until it's loaded. Okay, that's looking beautiful in my opinion. So you can use this for any kind of business. So we have just created the full template. It's still loading. And there it is. Right over here, we got the description, the title of the website. And where you go to the top and to the bottom, you can insert another image right over here by clicking on the Elementor button. Choose image. Choose your other image. And upload it. So I want to choose this one, for example, to show you how it looks right now. So it's changing right now. Okay, this is also looking beautiful, but I don't like the image, so I'm going to change it to something else. And I will select it right over here. And I will change a little bit, adjust it a little bit. I want to pick this image. In this case, this is looking beautiful in my opinion. And when I click on this, we got a lot of blocks for the template for Elementor. So right over here, you can choose whatever you want. You can create a very professional website. If you hire someone for an agency, it will cost you like hundreds or thousands of dollars. And this is only free or like for $25 per year. So I'm going to customize the site a little bit right now. I'm going to go to the categories and I will go to About. You get all the sections right over there. And these are the pages that you can import in one click. So I've showed you the site where you can get a lot of templates for free. Not for free, but for a little subscription. What's nearly worth thousands of dollars. So right over here, you can insert other ones. The others are also premium. This is the starter kit template. Starter kits templates. So I will show you in the description the link to this. So right over here, I can choose that and import them all in one click. So I'm going to import this template kit and show you how it works. So right over here, it's implementing the template, and we will wait. Show you a little bit how you customize a little bit further. So when it's loading, and we're going to adjust the colors a little bit because I don't like the red color right over here. We're going to change this right over there. You customize every site like this. So right over here. Now it's gone. And choose another image if you want. And clicking on Advanced, Style. And just adjust it a little bit to another color. I want to have it in light blue or something. That's much better in this case. So right over here. Background delay. I'm going to change this to something else. So right over here to a little bit more bluer. Okay, it's looking beautiful in my opinion. This is looking really professional for your first website. I don't know if you created any website before. So I want to thank you for watching, and I hope you will subscribe. So right over here, we are nearly done with the tutorial. You trust this text, and we did it without any coding knowledge. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button, and I will see you in my next video. Don't forget to check out miriamblog.com.